Today we have the 2019 Ford Focus. This vehicle has done just over 47,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. And on the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, Bluetooth, mobile apps, 4+ Connect, Android CarPlay, and our vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our different driving modes: normal, eco, and sport. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.